Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you dreaming of turning your culinary passion into a thriving business from home? In California, you can do just that, obtaining a cottage food license. Today, we are going to dive into the steps you need to take to get started. Step 1. Understand the types of cottage food operations. First, you need to determine which types of cottage food operation or CFO fits your business. Class A. This allows direct sales to customers, whether at farmers markets or through online orders. No routine inspection is required, which is perfect if you're just starting out. Class B. This allows both direct and indirect sales, meaning you can sell through third party retailers like local cafes or stores. However, this class requires more rigorous inspections. Step 2. Check local requirements. Before you get going, consult with your local planning department. Different cities or countries might have specific zoning regulations or permits you need to operate. Keep in mind they can't prohibit CFOs in residential areas, but they may have specific zoning rules. Step 3. Register with local health authorities, depending on your CFO class. For Class A, you'll need to register with your local environmental health division and complete a self certification checklist. For Class B, you'll need to obtain a permit. Your local health agency may have no undergo inspections. Step 4. Know your food products. Only low risk, non hazardous foods are allowed under the cottage food law. This includes things like baked goods, jams, and dry mixes. Be sure your products are listed in the California Department of Public Health's approved cottage food list. Step 5. Label your products correctly. Proper labeling is crucial. Your labels need to meet California's statement requirements, including ingredients lists and all grain information. Not only does this keep your complaint, but also builds trust with your customers. And that's it. With these actionable steps, you can your own way to launching your cottage food operation in California. Just remember to stay informed about local regulations and keep your kitchen safe and complaint. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one as always.